everybody, we're back again. We're wearing the same clothes we wore in our last video. It could be that we wear the same thing every day, which under quarantine happens.
So why not?
Yeah, but actually we just recorded 2 videos, so that was it.
Yeah.
What are we making today, Angela?
In case it's not obvious, we are making Dole Whip!
Dole Whip. What?
Yeah, so Disney Parks released the recipe for at-home Dole Whip. We thought it would be fun to do.
I think it's a recipe, not the recipe, because there's calls for ice cream, but we know that Dole Whip is, non-dairy, so I think this is a pretty interesting idea. We've never tried this before, so we're learning together. What do they need to do?
So first, we're going to take about 2 cups of pineapple, pineapple chunks.
Frozen pineapple chunks.
And dump it in your blender. And then you're going to take 4 ounces of pineapple juice and dump that in your blender. And then you're gonna shake, shake, shake. And by shake, I mean blend.
All right, so we're gonna get this started here.
I think the Disney Parks recipe called for blending all the ingredients together, but we're gonna try it this way and then adding the ice cream.
What's next?
Ice cream, everybody's favorite ingredient. Is this a good enough scoop?
I think we gotta go a little bigger.
Oh, sweet, okay. So I'll put that in there. How many scoops are we talking about? Or tablespoons?
It says 1 big scoop, so to me that's like...
2 big scoops?
Oh, you know what? Yes. Yes. All right. So now we're gonna take this baby for a spin.
So here is our Dole Whip.
Consistency is pretty great.
Yeah. It's pretty close, I'd say. If you're super duper missing the parks and you have a tiki mug, I recommend using that. And then add a flour. And there you go.
And that, folks, is an easy DIY Dole Whip that you can make at home. Super easy, only needed 3 ingredients. You should try it, Angela, just to see how it tastes.
Okay, that's really good. That's like bringing the parks home. Oh, I needed that. Here, you should try some.
It tastes exactly like Dole Whip. It's perfect. It tastes just like it does in the Magic Kingdom. It's fantastic. It's pineapple-y, it's creamy, it's everything you want a Dole Whip to be.
So guys, make this, because it's super easy. This is the easiest thing we've ever made on our channel.
Absolutely. And make sure you like and subscribe to our video.
Thank you so much for watching.